Hi, I'm Niladri. You are watching my channel Niladri the Genius. To previous video, we know casting, what is implicit casting, what is explicit casting, how we convert implicit load to higher data type, and how we convert higher to lower data type with one example. In this video, we will learn to convert lower to higher and higher to lower data type with another example. That means we converting character to integer and integer to character. So how the character will work, how the integer will work. So like this thing. In this video we will learn everything. Clear? So whenever I am writing char a equal to c, suppose I am writing char a equal to c. So when you write char a equal to c, so character is 2 byte. So I want to store the value of a in integer. So I am writing integer b equal to a. Okay. So character is 2 byte. Integer 4 byte, so 2 byte you will easily store in 4 byte, nothing will happen. So the here character is character data type, integer is integer round figure value, it will store decimal value, character is character value. So how the character value will store in integer value, in this video we will learn. Clear? So whenever we store a equal to b, so what is the value of a equal to c. So this is character value how we will store in integer value. So whenever the character value will store in integer value, so that it will not store in the character format, it will store in integer format. So what is the value of c in integer format? So you have to remember this thing, capital A value equal to 65. So like this way you have to calculate capital Z value equal to 90, small a value equal to 97. Like this way you have to calculate small z equal to 122. Okay, so zero value equal to 48. So like this way up to 9 you have to calculate. So what are the 65 a value character value? 65, what is this 65, what is this 97? So 65 97 is called ASCII value, ASCII, ASCII value. ASCII means American Standard Code of Information Interchange. That means whenever we press any value, suppose you already know that the computer will know only the machine language, that is 0 and 1, that is binary level language. So whenever we press a in the keyboard, so that keyboard every key have some value, that value is called ASCII value. Okay, so whenever I am press capital A, the capital A value is 65, the 65 immediately convert into binary. So immediately computer understand that you press A. So whenever you press A, so A value equal to 97, so 97 immediately convert into binary format. So computer understand that you press A. So like this way computer can calculate. Clear? So in this, so A equal to C. So how we will store A value in B? So whenever store A value in B, that means what is the value of A equal to C. So what is the value of C? A value 97, B value 98, C value 99. So 99 will store in A. So answer is 99. Why 99? Because the A value equal to C, that value C. C value, what is the value of C? C value equal to 99. 99 will store in B. So answer is 99. So this is called implicit casting. Why is it called implicit casting? Because it converts lower data type to higher data type. That's why it's called implicit casting. Let's reverse. I am writing integer a equal to 99. Okay, I am writing integer a equal to 99. I want to convert that integer value into character format. So I have to write char c equal to or char b equal to a. So when you convert char b equal to a, that means what is the value of a? That means 99 will convert into character value. So which character value is 99? C. The answer is C. Like this way you can calculate the 99 into character format. So whenever you convert 99 into character format, you can't easily convert that a value into character format. So you have to use one cast operator, that is char a. So when you write char, it convert into 99 into character format. So like this way, this is called explicitly casting higher data type to lower data type. Like this way, you can convert lower data type higher data type and higher data type to lower data type. So let's do some example. So I am writing char a equal to b. So I am writing char a equal to b. I am writing integer c equal to a plus 3. Then I am writing char d equal to char c. Okay, so you have to write system dot out dot println a system dot out dot println b system dot out dot println c. So how we will calculate? First you have to write check a equal to b. So what is the value of b? B equal to 98 because it is small b equal to 98. So that a equal to b. So when you convert the character into integer format, so it will take its ASCII value. So what is the ASCII value of b? B equal to 98. So 98 plus 3. Okay. So 98 plus 3 equal to 101. So what is the value of c? C value equal to 101. So again, what I have done, the C value will convert again into character format. That when the 101 it convert into character format, that 101 ASCII value, what is the ASCII value? Which character of ASCII value 101? So you have to write 19 C equal to 99, D equal to 100, E equal to 101. So like this way you have to convert. So which character ASCII value is 101? So E. So answer is E. Clear? So now A value equal to 101, B value equal to this one, D value equal to E, and C value equal to B. Okay. So like this way you can calculate character to integer and integer to character. Thanks for watching my channel.